Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here to have ribs. This is another one of those tourist places, but it's called Ribs Under the Arsenal. And so here is this huge wall. Can you see here? So it's like this, like a castle, and this is under the castle. So, but they say they have incredible ribs and they're cheap priced, and they have pork and beef. So I'm gonna go and see if I can slime me some barbecue sauce and have some pork ribs. Bye everybody. So what's the name of this place? Can you just say the name?
Yeah, it is Rabarna.
Rabarna. Okay,
Yeah.
so could we go upstairs?
What?
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, I'll follow you.
Yeah, okay. Hello.
So Rabarna. And this is the rib and beef place. And it again is under the
So if you want, you can sit here or here.
shade.
Or here.
Let's sit here in the shade.
Yeah, okay. And
Okay. Okay, cool. I'll sit here. Thank you. So this is where I'm going to have lunch. And this is what it looks like. And it's on this like castle wall fortification kind of thing here. And there's your money view. And it's okay. Rabarna, is that what he said? Rabarna? I don't do very well with these translations. But so anyway, they have pork ribs and steak and other things, and you can see the tower from here. See the tower way up there? We climbed that the other day. And the Jewish monument or memorial is over there. And that's it. Cool. Okay. Well, I guess I'll see what the menu looks like and we'll go from there. Okay, so another interesting thing. Look at the guy in the bib. It goes around his neck, but it's like it covers his whole front. You see it? And there's another one across the table, so it's like an extra, just in case Eric needs like 3 of those, I'm sure. But I just think that's funny that they bring you fully equipped bib catching barbecue sauce rib stuff. Okay, moving on. Bye-bye. Okay, everybody, so here's what I ordered. I ordered...
so we eat only hand. This is your plate, fork and knife.
What is this?
It is your plate, fork and knife. We eat only hands.
Oh, you only use your hands?
Yeah.
You don't give me a fork, you don't give me a knife.
No.
It's just fingers. Do you have things to clean my hands with?
Yeah, you can wash your hands down
Down there.
Yeah.
Okay, no fork and knife, no plate. He's just gonna throw this shit on the table. That is just funny. Okay, interesting. So I guess I better go wash my digits. I've been walking around the funeral place. So I ordered the ribs for $179, and then I ordered the bread with the and the cheese stuff, whatever, for $26. So it should be close to $200. So $210 would be, if it was 3 times 7 is 21. So $7 for bread and ribs. And then I ordered a beer, and the beer I got a blonde, big one, 56. So maybe it'll come to less than $10. That's it, everybody. Thanks for coming along. Bye-bye. Okay, remember how I commented on those people's bibs? He brought me a bib, and I just thought you'd find this kind of funny. Male, female, you get boobs one way or another. So I think that's interesting. And it looks like she's got a little hair up there too, so I don't know. Anyway, that's a whole nother story. So anyway, I just found the whole bib thing kind of funny. And it's not different on the other side, it's blank. So everybody has to be on the same size. So anyway, bye everybody. Just to heighten the experience, I just thought I'd show you that everybody has the boobies, male, female. I think it's funny. Bye. Okay, I'm all set for my meal, and I think I'm just waiting on my turn. He's pretty dedicated with that hatchet.
Bread.
Ah. Okay. That's the bread. So that was, okay, interesting. I was thinking a loaf of bread, and I guess I understand why they wear the bibs, because he just doesn't give a crap. Okay. All right, everybody. I guess I'll give it a try, and we'll see how it goes. Bye.